Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who doesn't know me yet, I'm Jane Oandasan. I'm your YouTube creator. My YouTube contents are all about travel or adventure, business, and tutorials. Okay, so for this day, I would like to discuss you how to make money on Likee. Alright, so I invite some of my friends here who is making money already on Likee. She's very famous and then she has a lot of followers. Okay, so let's check from her how we're gonna make money on Likee. Before we proceed, like and subscribe my channel. Just click the thumbs up and then click also subscribe and notify yourself by clicking the bell and then type your question here in the comment and then comment. I would like to have a big shout out to JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station. JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station is located at Boston Heights, Toclong, Kawit, Cavite. So for those who are located at Imus and Kawit, Cavite, you can order purified water at JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station. How to order? You can text or call this number. For those Globe user, it's 0977-3975-645 or Smart 0939-219390. Or you can also message at Messenger JJ Diamond. You can also like its FB page and YouTube channel JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station. Just want to have a big shout out to the following channels: Kaimba Channel, Pinoy Adventure TV, Fidel Pablo, and my Jane's Vacation Rentals. My vacation rental channel, Jane's Vacation Rentals. Don't forget to subscribe. You can like the page on the Facebook page and subscribe to this channel and check what are the available rooms or units for short or long-term rentals. You can check in Metro Manila, SMDC Light Residences located at Mandaluyong, Silk Residences located at Santa Mesa, Manila Rivercity Residences located at Santa Ana. For Cavite area, Amaris Homes located at Bacoor, Cavite. There are more vacation rentals still for constructions, so just keep browsing Jane's Vacation Rentals on the FB page to see all the available units that is good for you. Alright guys, so let's welcome Miss Beverly De La Peña. Alright, hi Miss Beverly.
How you like that? You gon' like that? Da 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 da. Like that? How you like that? Da 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 da.
How did you know about Likee?
I heard about Likee because I was watching on the other app a video and I was reading a comments. Specifically, I read comments says that Hong Kong users in this app are on the Likee app since this app are got banned in Hong Kong. So I was so curious and I went to the Play Store and I searched that app, Likee app, and yes, I downloaded this app. That's how I heard about Likee app.
Okay. Is it true that you can make money on Likee?
Yes, it is true. You can make money on Likee when you are official host or official creator, and each host has a task every month. So you must reach the target each month so you can get a bonus from Likee or salary.
Alright, so how to be an official host?
There's an agent in Likee, and then there's the one will approach you to ask you or invite you to become their host.
Okay. So, how much can we earn?
It depends how much beans you earn. And for example, you are new host, the lowest beans that you need to get is 2,000 beans, and which not new host, you need the lowest is 5,000 beans, and that is $34. And for the highest beans is 3 million. 3 million beans, you can get $2,071 from Likee. And for me, I just reached 50,000 beans and $345.
Alright, Beb, so I've seen on your Likee because I'm also one of your follower. I'm just so curious now because I saw that you have 120,000 followers. Is that true?
Yes,
Yes.
you see already, right?
Oh my god.
So
So,
far.
yeah, so how did you get those followers? Kindly tell us the secret how we can get a lot of followers, you know?
All right. I think that you must be very active in the app, and I believe that because I'm always regularly upload a video, good videos, and I do random videos, I do dancing, I do funny acting videos, and my fans love it. They love to do it my videos, and I think that's because of my videos. They love my videos.
Oh, okay. So that's great.
And one more thing,
Yeah.
since I am official host, I do live, so a lot of people watching my live, and then they're going to follow me, and me too. I'm watching my friends' video.
Okay, so Beb, so you told us that we need to be live, yeah? So far I have only one follower, you know, because I just make my Likee. Do you think I am allowed to have this live?
Yes, you need to level up to level 21 so you can able to apply how to go live in Likee.
So regarding this level up, you know, I'm only level 3. So what should I do so that I can level up to 20?
Okay, you must upload videos
Mhm.
like every day,
Mhm.
watch lives, friends lives or strange lives. You can do that so you can level up as well, and you can send gifts for the host.
Send gifts. Okay,
Yes.
so I need to send gifts to you. For example, you have
Yes.
live. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, so next time if I will watch you, I will make sure that I will send you gifts so that you can give me also a level. Yeah.
Yeah, for now the most important is you upload video.
Okay, perfect. So whatever video, because you know what, I'm not good in dancing, I'm not good in singing, but you know what kind of video you want me to upload in my Likee so that I can get also many followers.
You can upload about your travel because you love travel, right? And then you work in cruise ship, and I think so you have a lot of video from the other places.
Oh,
You can
okay.
show that in Likee.
Alright, so whatever I'm doing on my YouTube, then I will do that also on my Likee. So guys, if you want to follow me, you just follow my Likee, okay? You know my Likee? It's Miss Jane Oandasan. And if you are also interested to follow Miss Bebs, okay, kindly give me your ID, Miss Beb.
Just follow Royal Bev.
Okay, alright guys, thank you for watching.